Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Today I've got a very interesting product. As you can see, the price is already there, just $10. So I got this from Five Below, I guess. Obviously the price is not below 5, but you get other products there as well. So this is a halo lamp. What you can do is you can set it up. It is like a desk lamp, as well as it charges your phone. So let me open it, do the unboxing, and show if I really like it or not, and if I would recommend it. So let me just do the unboxing now. It comes with 3 different levels. You can use like high, medium and low. Set your lighting at like that. It says perfect for your office setup. That is what I bought it for. So let me do a quick unboxing. I'm not expecting too much from this because this is just like a $10 product. I just was going there to buy some gift and just saw this. I thought it will be interesting on this desk. So nothing too fancy in here. Okay, so this is the product. There is nothing else in the box. It's completely empty. So not too much waste. From that perspective, it is good. Let's see how it looks now. So quality wise, I would say there are still better things. I mean, quality could have been better. It is kind of fine, not too bad. Very lightweight, so you have to be mindful when you're using it. Other thing that it didn't come with any adapter, so I'll have to find a USB adapter for this to plug it in. Will it work with my already existing adapter? So let's see that. So I just plugged it to the power. As you can see, this is the light. I mean, it is fine. It is not too good, but it is, for the price, it is fine. As you can see, you have 3 levels. This is the brightest, and then nothing, lowest, medium and brightest. Not bad. And it also mentioned that it has wireless charging, so let's see if that is true. Okay, so it says remove phone case with metal components before charging. Do not place metal objects on the charger. I don't have any metal things on this. Let me take off the cover of my phone and try to charge it. I know there are issues when you're wireless charging it because of this big camera bump. As you can see, now it started charging. So yes, it charges your phone. Don't think it will be too fast though. So it is just 5 watt wireless charging for your phone. Not bad. I think I really like this. To be honest, I wasn't expecting too much from this. For 10 bucks, it's okay. It will look good in the videos. If you want something to be put on your desk, on the side of your desk, this is a good light which will obviously enhance the lighting. And also it has this wireless charging. So for 10 bucks, you only get a wireless charger or the lamp, but for 10 bucks you get both the things in this one. So I think it's not bad. I would say I will recommend this. I am not sure about the brand. You can just see the name here, Electronic Necessities. I think it was in Five Below. So if you are in US and you have access to that store, and if you need something for your desk, go ahead, buy this. I recommend this. For 10 bucks, it's really good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next one.